ಬನ್ನಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
My lord, the court's mic is muted, my lords.
Court's audio is muted.
Not audible, my lord.
Lord, court audio on V console is muted, Lord. Court audio on V console is muted, Lord. Yet we are not able to hear your lordships. Sorry. No, my lord. Are we audible, my lord, to your lordships? We are not able to hear, my lord. The audio is still muted. I'm so sorry.
my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಟಾಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್.
My lord, as per the guidelines, my lord, a petrol pump cannot be set up where the HTL and LT line are crosses, my lord.
Correct. Where have you said so, sir?
My lord, in para number 5 of my
ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕೋದು. When do you all improve? Don't be complacent in everything.
yes,
Yes, SV ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಯಾರು?
CV angle.
CV ಅಂಗಡಿ, sorry. 1 AGA, 2 CV ಅಂಗಡಿ, 4 ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಬಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4 ಅಲ್ಲ 2, 5 ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ.
My lord, 2 CV angle, my lord, 1 and for
Sir.
others, my lord, there is no standing council for explosives and others, my lord.
That is ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಬಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳಿ will take.
Yeah.
That is Union of India.
2 and 5 is CV angle, my lord.
Yes. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. 5, 4
5, 6 also CV angle, my lord.
ಸರಿ. 1 and 7. 1, 7, 8 ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಅಟೆಂಡರ್ ಪ್ಯೂನು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ?
My lord, only 13 and 14, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ವೈ ಡು ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದು? Why do you need all this?
Because the copy
You
of
made the top man a party finish. The lower rung will follow. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ ಯಾರು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಇದು ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It will take 6 months to serve.
no, my lord, 13 and 14, my lord, because it is relating to explosives.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 6 CV ಅಂಗಡಿ. Then 4, 13, 14 ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಬಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕವರಿಗೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Interim order.
ಏನಿದೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ?
My lord,
pleading.
my lord, if it is set up, my lord, then
Yes.
it will endanger the life of the people, my lord. and-
Correct, sir. That should be the pleading. There shall be an interim order of stay spread for till the next date of hearing. Yes. Post immediately after service of notice upon the fourth respondent.
My lord,
Yeah.
seeking direction to initiate legal action against respondent number 3 and 4, my lord.
ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? Yes, post immediately after service of notice upon the fourth respondent. Next.
Number 10 Gayatri sir, ST Kaduk.
Please, short. Okay.
ಅವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂತು? Register to put up the matter immediately after the service of notice upon the fourth respondent.
Please, my lord.
But I appear for the respondent number 5, contesting respondent. But I seek 10 days time to file objections.
Let's, in the
Interim order
earlier,
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ madam?
yes, my lords, in the earlier round also, there was a direction to not to precipitate the matter. In terms of annexure P, my lords, at page 94. During that order, my lords, they have precipitated the matter and have passed the dismissal order.
ಈಗ you are in service or not?
She
I'm
is
not in
dismissed,
service,
my
my lords, they have dismissed.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
My lords, that annexure P order by this honorable court was passed on 22/2023, my lords, at page 94.
more than one
ಈಗ
year.
ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ madam?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
She is
they
not.
have removed in terms of the dismissal order.
ಮತ್ತೆ interim order not to precipitate quo the petition ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. What to precipitate?
ಅಲ್ಲ, reinstate ಅಂತ.
Reinstatement by interim order ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Will pass objections.
Lord, 10 days, your lordship.
10 days ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ವಾರ. Yes, list next Friday.
In fresh matter.
First in the.
Number 11
Great.
Aditi Deshpande.
Interim order granted earlier, may kindly be
That
extended.
will get all right.
Great.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
It is mandamus to consider.
Consider what? How can you be put back, sir, now?
Because
pending ಇದೆ.
the appeal is.
Appeal is pending.
Yes, my lordship, appeal
I
is
will
pending.
direct the appellate authority to dispose it in 4 weeks, no problem. But you are already removed from service.
Yes, my lordship.
You are to superannuate now.
I am superannuating in the month
But,
of May, my lordship.
Since you've already been removed from service by an interim order, I cannot restore status quo ante.
But appellate authority has kept pending since September, my lordship.
Yes, madam. Who is the appellate authority?
Appellate authority is
Governing council.
governing council.
State and ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
Appellate
Emergent notice to the respondents. The petitioner shall also serve the respondents by way of hand summons. The appellate authority, the first respondent, shall explain as to why the appeal of the petitioner is kept pending for 6 months now. List the matter on 21st. The explanation be placed by the said date. Hand summons.
137, Madan Deshpande is a standing counsel.
ಯಾರು?
Respondent number 1, 3 and 7, my lordship.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
2, 4, 5 and 6. It is AGA has to take.
AGA ನಾ?
4, 5 and 6.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿ. 1,
1, 3 and 7.
1, 3 and 7 ಮದನ್ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ.
Yes, my lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಮದನ್ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕವರಿಗೆ AGA.
AGA.
4, 5 and 6 only. Second in number.
The learned, the counsel for the petitioner shall serve requisite set of papers upon counsel Madan Deshpande. ಅದು ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು explanation ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು. 21st in the fresh matters list. Yes.
Please, my lordship.
Cell number 12, KL Patil, Mr. Tata Bangi.
But this is regarding wrongly inclusion of name.
No, this coordinate bench had directed conduct of elections.
Yes, madam.
Where is the question of making you eligible now? Who directed you to become eligible?
Lord, in this matter, first submission is, so far as the petitioners, Lord, they belong to a different constituency,
Different societies, sir.
societies.
Ah,
It's a election to the federal society.
all right.
Lord, they belong to a different constituency, Lord, I belong to a different
Different
constituency. Secondly, Lord, this society was, earlier society was bifurcated. New society, 2 new societies were formed, that is Dharwad and Haveri. Lord, after establishment of Lord Haveri, the entire membership of the board of directors who were present in the previous elections were continued for a period of 5 years. This is the first election which is taking place after Lord, the society which is formed. So, Lord, the
that is-
requirement of 13D, Lord, would not apply in case if there is an election for the first time after the registration of the society. Lord, that is the reason, Lord, I have filed a review petition in the forum.
What happened in the review petition?
Lord, matter is pending before this honorable court, before Lord, the coordinate bench. So this matter,
Single judge's order is
Lord, I went to Lord, file a writ
They
appeal.
preferred writ appeal.
no,
writ-
liberty is given to file.
Liberty is given to them to file a review petition.
Yes.
And they have filed a review petition that is pending before this honorable court. Pending there, they have got the name included there when the matter is pending. This is not reviewed. The order which is passed by this honorable court still stands.
You file your objections.
Please.
That will not make the petition fait accompli.
Yes.
What's the learned counsel Mrityunjay Tata Bangi, appearing for the 7th respondent, submits that he would file his objections in a week's time. List the matter on 21st.
Right.
Till such time, there shall be an interim order as prayed for.
Lord,
Published.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗಿರ್ಲಿ.
the calendar of events is issued.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Events are issued. Your Lordship.
ಯಾವತ್ತು?
Lord, it is assured.
Hmm.
Lord, this impugned order is passed in the month of December. And
Calendar of
Lord,
events
calendar of
issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾವ?
22nd January 2025, Lord, the calendar of events is issued.
Eligible list also announced, Your Lordship. Eligible candidates list
We'll
also.
see, you file your
announced.
objections in 2-3 days then. I'll take it on
Lord, now
Wednesday.
what happens is, Lord, the process, Lord, will start from 17th.
When is date of election?
Lord,
3rd March.
2nd March.
Second March.
2nd March. All right. Then we'll do it. Election ಅವತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Election, second
Problem
month.
ಏನಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ?
Pardon?
Why you want a stay of it now?
Because unless he published the voter list, they cannot publish. Voter list is to be published 15 days before last date of
Anyway, by
filing of
Monday you file
nomination.
your objections.
Pardon?
By Monday you file your objections.
Because,
List on Monday in the fresh matters list.
Yes.
yes,
Stay ಇಲ್ಲದಲ್ರಿ.
Cell number
my
13,
lords are not granted interim order.
No, Monday.
Please.
13 SS Mamla.
ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಡಿ,
Mamla
Monday,
ko.
objections. Yes.
Lordship, appear for
Petitioner, my lords.
They are doing protest without my lords taking permission. There is no permission.
Then
So because of the my lords, one more case was filed.
whatever it is, but how can you permit them to protest without permission?
Earlier also my lords case was filed for blocking the NH. So they filed the petition and my lords got interim order and that so far those proceedings are concerned.
Nothing, they have not sought permission of the court now.
Now also no my lords, no permission.
The learned AGA has on instructions, learned AGA on instructions would submit that the protest is happening without seeking any permission from the hands of the competent authority. Therefore, if that be so, the state is now at liberty to take such action in accordance with law or grant police protection to the petitioners as is necessary in law. List on Tuesday in the fresh matters
Now
list.
they are my lords, also blocking the my lords, the Tehsildar office.
That you should take, sir, you should take action.
Because of my lord that last incident, the police are also my lords afraid.
Which incident, sir?
Belgaum incident my lords, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಠಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿ. Admitted fact that there is a apex court order that they are the owners of the property in question.
ಅವ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವ ನೀವು ಯಾರನ್ನ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲೋಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಬಂದು 50-60 ಜನ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್.
Total 81 families.
You take action in accordance with law.
That is a
Take it on
problem.
Tuesday. What order can I pass? You have to take action. Yes. Take action in accordance with law.
Fresh matters.
Fresh matters.
Please.
14, Ramchandra Mali.
Seeking mandamus to release the payment, my lords. Petitioner is appointed in 2009, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
The
1 HCG 1
3 your lordship C Jagdish.
Jagdish.
3 C Jagdish, 2 emergent notice.
Arvind
HCG.
Kulkarni, my lords. To Arvind Kulkarni.
Arvind Kulkarni.
Please.
2 Arvind Kulkarni. That shall be an interim order of stay. Hello, sir. The services of the petitioner shall not be dispensed with if not already dispensed as on today till the next date of hearing. Next.
Please.
In Girish Hazard, G. Muhammad Ali.
Petitioners are, my lords, life and ordinary members of the general body of third respondent Waqf institution. My lord,
Demolish ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ.
existing building. My lord, the petitioners neither have, my lord, any objection for demolition or, my lord, developmental works. But my only submission is 4/10/2019 is the date on which, my lord, the administrator took charge. 65(1) says, my lord, in aggregate she shall be there for 5 years. It has been over. I don't have a qualm regarding that also. My only concern is, for none of the general body members or the general body is consulted before doing anything with respect to the Waqf institution. No general body meeting is
Yes, sir.
conducted.
The marriage hall was under dilapidated condition. My lord, administrator has been appointed and it is managed by the administrator. And since the marriage hall was under dilapidated condition, they have taken permission from the government.
It is in dilapidated condition and if it falls down, who is responsible?
No, that's what, my lord, we are not. Petitioners are not aggrieved by, my lords, this government order giving the sanction or the developmental work. Consult us, my lord, and do it. General body munde to discuss ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. Now my representation is also that much. My prayer is also that much.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೀವೇನಾ?
No, I am appealing only for respondent number 3, my lord. Board is there. Board may allot that work.
ಯಾರ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ?
Mr. Lord Khan is there on the panel. I am also on the panel, my lord, but
Lord Khan.
I am appearing for the administrator.
Council, Shri Lord Khan is directed to accept notice for 1
and 2, my lords. My learned senior friend appears for 2, 3 and 4. Our administrator now he has filed K8.
3 and 4 ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸಿ. 3 and 4 ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸಿ. Yes. Entry ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Allah, let them conduct a general board. In fact, my lords, may I request?
By way of an entry order.
No. My lords may dispose of the matter itself.
No. Yes. Dispose, let him see and come. Yes.
No, I have already served a copy. Only, my lord, my submission is this.
In the fresh matters list. Yes.
Allah, let them conduct a general body meeting, do all developmental works. It's not disputed that we are on the general body, my lord, we are members of the general body.
Yes. Get the info.
Please.
Tuesday or Wednesday?
Please.
When do you want?
Any date, my lord.
Wednesday in the fresh matters list.
Please.
Copy serve ಮಾಡಿ.
My colleague will represent, my lord, on that day.
No problem.
Please.
Number 16, Sunita Pikalsu, Chetan Manoli.
Their dates of retirement, superannuation dates, tabular form. There are more petitioners have.
Yes,
made
HCGP.
it tabular. Please, Your Lordship. 247A, Your Lordship. Proviso, Your Lordship,
But
it's
ಈಗ ನಾನು
daily wage.
Monday fresh matters, yes.
Previous matter also, fresh matters next Wednesday.
17.
Dispose ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತು fresh matters, yes.
Saurabh Sandu, Anupji Deshpande.
Monday Monday.
It's counting of past service for the purpose of CAS, Career Advancement Scheme. Petitioner, not totally well.
The contention is the career UGC regulation number 10 has not been considered.
The past service.
Past service, my lordship. Kindly see page number 117, my lordship, the regulation 10, clause D, my lordship. 117, my lordship. This is counting for past service. The post was filled in accordance with the prescribed selection.
Where were you working earlier?
Lords, I have worked for a total period of 8 years, if Lordships.
Where?
Yes, my lords. Initially from 6/8/1999 to 3/10/2001, I had worked for in Bhagwan Das Dadlani Institute of Pharmacy. 2001 got enrolled for PhD and at Catholic University at Chile after complete certificates.
Are objections?
2006 to 2007, I was working in a foreign institute. And 2007 to 2008, adjunct faculty in this very.
Clause 10 is what enables someone to get their past service counted.
Yes, my lords.
Now, under those clauses of clause 10, where do you figure?
My lords, except that Bhagwan Das Dadlani, rest of the others, my lords, they can be counted. One gray area which requires consideration by this honorable court is, I have worked in a chemical industry before joining the institution. Now, clause 10 also says, service rendered in institutions like ICAR, ICMR, etc. are also to be considered.
Yes.
Except that one institute, rest of the others are in foreign institutions after completing my PhD as adjunct faculty. If your lordships could kindly take synopsis for a moment, page 2. 2006 to 2007. I have worked in university teaching staff in Virginia Polytechnic University and State University in the field of research chemistry. Certificate is produced.
Total service baratte nimdu?
Total 8 years, 1 month service baratte. If this Dadlani 2 year, 2 months, 12 days is removed, 6 years I'll get.
Yes, we'll see. Monday. For preliminary hearing. Monday.
18, Gopal Krishna.
Appear for the petitioner in this case, my lord. Petitioner's son died on 17/7/2023 in a road accident in front of his college, my lord. The reason for the accident was the hump installed overnight in front of the college without any signage and without any markings, my lord. Every day he was commuting on the same road. Just in front of his college gate, he fell down as the hump was not marked and it was erected overnight. Due to that head injury he suffered, he passed away, my lord. He was a final year engineering student. And
Why compensation claim madilva?
Madidini, sir.
Appearance ilva?
In this case, I have claimed compensation due to public negligence, my lord. Your lordship looks at page 53. Page 53, my lord, the report, the joint report of the submitted by the police. ರಸ್ತೆ ಅಪಘಾತ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಟಿ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ತನಿಖಾ ವರದಿ annexure H, page 53. If your lordship looks at the bottom,
very difficult. Damages here very difficult, sir. File a civil suit.
Civil suit, because civil suit is also one more remedy, my lord, according to the Supreme Court. This is a public wrong committed by the negligence of the public authorities. If your lordship looks at page 53, bottom page.
You're talking of tortious liability, we'll see.
Also, it is a public ground because the Supreme Court in 2018 has given so many guidelines, and I have produced the Honorable Supreme Court's judgment in Rajshekhar versus
Yaಕೆ
State.
ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
Insurance irrilla, Swami. He was not wearing helmet also, that is there. That is negligence on the part of the deceased is there, but my lord, but that cannot absolve the state from its liability in procuring safety of the individuals. If your lordship looks at page 50,
How can I assess compensation here, sir?
it can be assessed in so many judgments.
Damages or compensation, how can I assess here, sir?
Well, sir, you can be assessed, my lord. There are judgments of our own High Court also. Your lordship is well aware of that, my lord.
Well aware? What well aware?
Also, there are judgments of Karnataka High Court only.
Where is the report? What report were you referring to? ಅಪಘಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಗಳು.
Page 53, annexure H, my lord. ಆ ರಸ್ತೆ ಅಪಘಾತ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಟಿ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ತನಿಖಾ ವರದಿ. If your lordship looks at the
who has to 1 minute, who has to pay according to you?
According, the state has to pay, my lord.
State has to pay.
State has to pay. Rural Development, Panchayat Raj.
This road not belongs to rural.
Transport Department, who are duty bound under the Supreme Court.
Joint and several.
Lordship looks at Annexure J. Annexure J, I have produced, my lord, Supreme Court judgment in the case of S. Rajshekhar versus Union of India, wherein the Supreme Court has given so many guidelines for road safety and treating of the injured in the.
It's all right. Anyway, let us see. List on.
I will connect it to Annexure H, last line note. Annexure H last line. ಈ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಝೋನ್ ಗೋ ಸ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಸೂಚನಾ ಫಲಕ ಅಳವಡಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಅಪಘಾತದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣವನ್ನು ತಗ್ಗಿಸಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. They say clearly, they admit that the accident was due to negligence on the part of the public authorities.
They have to make more deputy commissioner.
Nilabati Behra versus State of Orissa.
We'll see. Yes.
They have to implement deputy commissioner and PWD members, as the road is a PWD. They have not made them as party. The rural development of the road.
I will make them party, my lord. Maybe posted on Monday, my lord. I will personally come and make them.
Under the rural development.
Is a party. PWD is above chief secretary.
Illa, under the rural development ಅವರು ಬಂದು they are not.
Instructions.
Please.
We will begin the law of tort. Yes. Learned notice ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ
ಸರ್, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Statement of objections ಹಾಕಿ.
21st. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ PWD ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ unable to get the records from them ಅಲ್ಲ.
21st ಬೇಡ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, 21st by 18th ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್. I will be there in Dharwad. I cannot.
ನೀವು ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ವೇಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 21st I am again back in Dharwad.
AGA. The learned AGA submits that the Public Works Department is the one who has to be made a party respondent in these proceedings, failing which the learned AGA projects inability to coordinate with the department. The submission is noted to be rejected. The Chief Secretary of the State of Karnataka is made the first respondent. Therefore, it is needless to observe that every department would cooperate with the AGA to secure instructions and make his submissions, to give instructions to make his submissions.
Yes. Number 19, this is Koliwar.
Call on 21st, my lord.
21st, yes.
Respondent.
Grateful.
Require 1 week time, my lord, to file my statement of objections.
My lord, since my lord in
2009-10 contractual claims.
My lord, in connected 2 cases, my lord, already 2
bills. Yes.
Bills, my lord.
10 days time is granted to be file statement of objections.
My lord, already my
Suraj Bellaki seeks 10 days time to file statement of objections. The same is granted. List after 10 days. Yes, next.
Number 20, Vidyavati Umputu Shekhar.
Already connected case, my lord, more than 2 years, my lord, they have not filed any objections, my lord.
They will file now. In the in the event no objections come about, it shall be construed that there are no objections to the petition, and appropriate orders appropriate orders directing payment would be made. Tax also. 10 ವರ್ಷ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದು. We will dismiss it straight away.
At least 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time, yes.
Number 20, Vidyavati M. Kottur sitter.
I appear for petitioner, my lord. The vague notice is issued by the respondent without description of the property, my lord.
In this case,
Madam,
Yes, my lord, it is
in these cases, my lords, they have suppressed the, my lords, the material facts. They are well aware.
ಆಯ್ತು, objection ಸಾಕಿ.
Please.
ನೀವು ಅವ್ರು ವೆಲ್ ಅವೇರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇದು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಅವ್ರು ವೆಲ್ ಅವೇರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ 10 ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮೇಡಮ್,
I have not received any notice, my lord. Let them
survey was conducted in
furnish
their
along with
presence.
statement of
Joint
objection.
survey ಅದು SLP ನು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
Let them furnish the details. I have not issued a notice before this one.
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. PIL ಒಂದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಯಾವತ್ತು?
21st month, sir.
21st.
By 21st.
List on 21st at the request of the learned AGA, who would seek time to file statement of objections.
Yes.
21.
The interim order may kindly be extended.
Same order.
Same.